All right, the citizen, call am the prodigal son, you know, I be your motor, not me say I be your filter. Now sit back and listen to him, and the clone will be that.
Yes, sir, Ogbeti. Anybody will try me or deity. Bessie, when button agbada reach neck, now you go feed the eat.
That box.
I found out.
What talk, babe?
What talk, babe?
They say I've been like this.
Why really only you been here? You know.
Yeah, what power? Though they say they know they try something like this. I waiting and worry you touch. Is anybody who wanna see say? So that box, I beg first of all, let them understand. Say now flex, now we get in the building.
No, so my brother, let me drop my glass.
Okay.
You do a glass when you talk.
Okay.
Yeah, some of the son be say I be farmer, motor no be say I be of filter. I tell shall not be where there is some cloth. Me, my name is Oflex, Owigbe, Osaboye. Oflex is my name.
Everything abbreviate that Oflex.
Okay, Oflex.
What does that Oflex stand for?
O stand for Osaboye. Why flex in a row on my lifestyle?
Some of those your slangs. I be your filter, I be your motor, not me say I be your filter. That's the captivating aspect of you. So whenever people just sit back, say, okay, right now I want to watch Oflex today, wait till first they come their mind, say, no, one they listen to some of all those slangs, you know. Although not be everybody still like cancer. But sir, if we say, okay, now we'll go the motivating factors, you know, when they behind those slangs. So what are the motives behind those slangs? You believe that now the pattern when you believe, say you want to come out with that or what?
Normally, every Benin person, we believe we get pride. You understand? You know, we get money. I didn't know money be do na money go my way. Ni normal day local. You understand? Yeah. So, that my rhymes, that my word. Son of the soil, no me say I be farmer.
Yeah.
Omoto, no me say I be your filter. I tell shall not be where there is some clothes. Goes like, because I'm rapping Benin, because I'm doing some Benin indigenous movie, song and all that, that does not mean I'm local. You know, that does not mean a filter. I be your motor, no me say I be a filter. So just to cut it short for you, I'm rapping where I'm from, does not mean I'm local. So I'm proud of Benin. I don't know. Mediru we ye, even me ye, do not buy it. So
see, if I see this matter, person when bought your agbada rich neck.
Now you feed it.
Now your word. See, I will get your book quizira, and you know, so now, not too long. If I say okay, not too recently, we hear say some of our people come visit you. So how true is that?
First of all. Let me talk about what really happened. So, my name is Goodluck Owigbe. I'm saying my name again so that Wami and the be on the So, I grew up in St. Xavier, Opa, New Benin, everywhere.
You are coming to that.
I know.
Okay.
So, for them to identify me, Goodluck Owigbe Oflex. I don't belong to any secret cartel, any form of fraternity, confraternity, and all. I'm a free man. You understand? So I have no issue with anybody.
Okay.
So I don't belong to any secret cartel.
So you believe where was that the reason on your where you
were? Because when we're Being a dogi kainana, so it that okay one egg. I am not sunu that me na. Okabi sunu that my baby ne bedo. A lot of persons wrong. Yeah, I give me way. Oh, una wagbera. I will get now our man. The other one only be ye of your and you just doing your thing. And not by the way that guy our man. Not by no ye obi home obi pa obi that guy obi not by ye. So we are here. I mean no. Do I fit near ya by innocent person. So Oma kill everybody. So I believe none or they are affecting. So we must run here while I film you. Being I give people that we now action films, where all those action films. So I believe where you are like this. And when I give action films in maybe unania. Una gba okoto video. Imo boardwa you are need to not do maybe trying to impersonation or something, but he did very careful. You know where where Gamia were no and Otunayi na ya no ya team na wewa. So when they do we can nana no one me when me here owo no. Say be maybe ya ho omoto ehin son of the son no me say be farmer. Be me ro megwa kinigbe, you know. Na why abi me abi do dey by ikuare na my abi kuna na na do dey by if I meet new persons in my life, you know, I embrace everybody. Okay. Every day of my life, I meet new people. I show them love. Me de edian or bonokpa, but me okpa me wan edo is one. Ovi rokpa fi yokpa mayahin because we are when ado lele one way from the one way or one house somehow yeah. One way or the other, we are all related to the palace. Yeah. Omoto emayahin. So many money making. I'm free to everybody. Yeah, this is me because you know why? I'm from a very white family. Okay. Ikinegbe ya mi no fofo ya to me to ya mi ne no ba ya to me to ya mi no but be me get do with the work be do send anyway our the roman ya waka we ere wa no.
But those are the areas we are trying to address. You made a statement, and that is a fundamental statement. You know where I remember where I couldn't hear I know what you were trying to say was yeah. So now let's talk about the movies in the movie. I believe we can differentiate the black from the blue from the green from the red, you know, from you understand. Now the slang and the way you take the carry yourself, you know, your body movement and the way you address issues, more especially in movies. Most of your film, or should I say, if I have the permission to address 70% of your movies, like Curtis movies, it has everything to do with ta. And that area of ta, Mike cannot belong to. You understand? So is it that most of your movies, they use some of their slang, or you don't ever peruse most of the slangs where they use? Say, these slangs don't belong to some of those people when they say that they go after you as we speak.
First of all, let me correct that fact. I'm not by equal anybody. That's one. Two, action film or not action film? Action film. Okay. So I believe all my content, all my movies,
it has everything to do with ta.
That's what we call action film.
Yeah.
Why? They now mobile action film. Yeah. So the time the more reason is while a film na over do mama, papa, papa, comedy and all that.
I have no feel to
my way not even man action. Yeah. The stories about action stuff is here. So I'm doing it.
You wear action.
Yeah. You everything action films, action stories. Okay.
You get story to back them up.
Yeah. But my way banana.
Okay.
The man we got here me what my way Osumbo.
Yes, Anini. Yeah.
So we own this story.
But you my way.
Anini will do a man go in
somebody did Osumbo.
Yes.
Title a movie titled
Osumbo. That's Osumbo. The late Osumbo with Anini.
Yes.
So for you to know that, mommy, I have a story now. Even Anini in Metamu Weni, and you will tell you about. So doing action film is not a crime.
Okay.
One and all my lyrics, my lines, it has nothing to do with any confraternity organization or something. No, or my story content. All those things the data is just the script. I'm going to deliver.
Yeah.
So action film, not action film. I believe where camera say, but so or the woman where or no one man or where anything action film who are where original or anybody will know where anything action film. No where action film for crying out loud is a film. Ta is a film.
Attention, not be where the song club.
That's it.
The box. Wait, we are still on it, still on that lineage. You did because when we army man si wọn pa so bona we emi na we yan yi kesun edo a develop that hatred. Abi Bengali no we now have more than 17 girls wa gagbe we mu pa mu we a boy girlfriend say man so we it's a movie though, but anything the way we dey na anything fit cause for it.
For about that Bengali no kani Bengali film no
we now wa bangeya sa bago hirame bangeya.
So Bengali is a story. It had to do the romantic film.
Yeah.
We the Benin. Let me say the Benin man knows Zedona.
Yeah.
Sometimes we criticize things when we are doing it. When it's from us, we form of criticizing things from us. But we have confidence. We have. Sorry. Let me make you understand. When we have content from here, we easily criticize it.
Okay, when the content is
from here, we criticize it.
Okay.
But when the content is from somewhere,
from outside,
especially, we jubilate. We are enjoying it.
We embrace.
So I don't want to mention names. Let me tell you, like a lot of the Benins are fans to Zubby Michael.
Very, very well.
They found those action actors. So most of our actors here, we've been shy away from film like romantic films. You know why? Because of our viewers. What are our viewers? Our people. Imagine or see any place. Rob. You play all those romantic films. But a man where he outside in the money, my we banner and shout. But the way that's my man.
They will embrace it, yeah.
They do romantic films. So we need to change things. I'm not saying Maya naked here. We're not saying no seven Bengali are giving you the romantic film. Bros, because boy there. I needed to think outside the box where waiting will they lack, waiting will know they do, waiting will never fail do. They remember because watching film comedy is fine because the state of the country, really the country the economy behind so comedy, action film, glamour story, the man do like romantic film. That was how I had to work on that project. Let me tell you, Ross. I honestly Bengali and Ankowe Bengali is a very good story.
Okay, but still on that line, sir, you feel where that is the best way to change the narratives?
About the story.
Yeah, most of those projects when they pull out.
Yes, because you know why? My first target, my first reason of producing action film, I have this thought of like let me bring in a known Benin viewers, because we only have one Benin. Edo State is the only state where we speak Benin language. So I needed to, I think I said it, but like let me start my own kind of production, like Ingledo, that will bring in Igbos, bring in Yorubas to join our viewers. Then I said to myself again, okay, our people in Manibiedo Nana, yeah, our home people, Manibiedo is so safe. Una the story ni manibunga like any, Iman ya no ifans in mame, Abi Baba, the Papa Mama, because you know why the kind of story in my home, it's all about Mama, Papa stuff.
Son of the soil, we are not back again.
When I really because I thought the one I said this guy is cool. Let's make some noise for the brother, my friend, so cool.
It's super fierce with a mic. He's super fiery with a conversation.
Yeah, we no Nissan, me no hoy. Tebite go ino to yere otin oyo we value woman.
He is the master of ceremony, one of Benin finest, the citizen.
All right, people, the citizen. Call me the prodigal son, you know.
Oh no, today is calling my phone and I'm on top of it, sir.
Local waste card finish yo.
Book him now for your event. Is it a birthday party? Is it a wedding ceremony? Is it a burial event? Do you want it in English or do you want it in a dual language? He is ready to make that your event a funniest one. Gorilla Multimedia is also into event planning and they offer fantastic tap DJ service to give that your event the bubbly nature. For more info, contact us on 081-79-111-024.
I love Gorilla Multimedia.
Young guy and young girls, they hardly like our story.
Yeah.
They tell us how na fit to the local. Sorry, I don't use the word like na fit to be like this, na fit to be like this. Yeah, we feel me already, but how to? I used to say, okay, we never really get this era of action. And they say our people, if I follow those people, they say our Benin people, I declare for them.
Yeah.
So I said, okay, let me bring in change. So, bros, yes, I don't know justify myself here, but I will say it the way it is. I've met so many persons, like, they just tell me, oh, Flex. Now, because of fear, I can't watch film. I know Fed they watch film before.
Yeah,
but
beneath
I like. They
no
will tell you,
specify.
I know they like beneath film before.
Okay.
Not even beneath film. Some
Okay.
people tell you,
Movies.
I know they like movie before. You can't make me come they like film, even come they like beneath film, because you know why? When I did see una film before, I did commode, but those are your stories and the way you do it so real. So that alone, I would just give, I would tell God, okay, my time of investing in production like this, and is not begin to work. God, I appreciate you. If people can stop me out there and appreciate my work and tell me you made me,
You made
something
my day
that
and all, yeah.
anytime I come across people like that, they make my day.
Okay. So now back to the subject matter. Finally, you did the song.
Yeah.
Hero 2 Rock Bow. I guess that's the title. That's the title.
Yeah. Hero 2.
That's the title.
Yeah, Hero 2. Hero 2 as in Hero 2 is a song that I composed it just to clear the air, just to tell everybody
About what happened.
and to set peace as well.
Okay.
To advise my brothers. We are all brothers.
That you are not one of them.
I'm not.
Okay. Now, if you check out from another perspective, sir, O2. Air as a body, O2 no. Then you may O2 association. So I don't know. I see no reason. You not specify them. You were not that specific. What you said, all we heard was Hero 2 Rock Bow, and you are a member of Air. The last time I checked, you are a member of AGM. So you know reason I'm saying a wrong direction. I don't know who was behind the scene, who stood as the director, who stood as the studio director. So I believe, say, you as a producer and a director, you're supposed to feel, this specific more than that. Say, okay, now when I mean O2, this is the area I am referring to.
Okay, thank you. Like I said earlier, I said I'm not a member of any secret cartel.
Okay.
I'm not a member of any confraternity.
Okay.
I'm
In
a
quotes.
freeman. And let me say this here. I'm not a member of AIR.
You are not a member of AIR. How about AGM?
Yeah, I'm a member of AGM. Okay. Actors Guild of Nigeria.
But I won't say, but there was a day I saw you at Air meeting.
Yeah.
At that time, my mommy were.
Yes.
So we aspire.
No. I went there to support to the election day.
No, before election.
I came there to check on somebody. Okay. I had to sit the other way.
Okay.
So I was waiting.
So as we speak now, you are not a member of AM.
I'm not a member of AM.
And you are not planning to join us soon? Because I will na Yana Zik and Dollars. Because you
know, it's a body that if I'm not proud of the body, I don't think you will see me there. But don't worry, in the future time something will happen.
So how about the rumor? So the rumor when they go around say you don't already prepare a video for that song.
Yes, because you know why? The song is not a party song. Okay. It's been put together to clear the hair about the rumor and to change things in society. So do you know that a lot of innocent persons have been killed just because of misidentity or something? So I think I need a video. I need to shoot a video on that song.
Want to address the hips?
Yeah, at least we all need to talk more about these confraternity issues. We're losing our brothers. We're losing our brothers. We're losing our husbands. Bros, go out there. Just go out there. Go and see young widow.
Naziba boy.
Widow.
Yeah.
Now cut key song. And let me shock you. Nobody joined Court Go Die. Nobody joined any court cartel. Say he won't go kill himself. If you look and bros.
First time in the history when I see if they address issue, they more constructive.
Bros.
You dey very careful when it comes to this issue.
Bros. You know why?
Okay.
Our sisters there, young widow. Nobody say na one he met kill their husband.
Okay.
Some even they are not even cultists. Innocent people don't die because they regret all day. Innocent people don't run come out for their house. We basically if fight day, you know concern them. You know the funny part of it. Excuse me. If it don't happen, it don't happen. So we all need to, learn from this, and I need to shoot that video to tell. It's a message, bro. It's a message. There is no way I will leave that song without doing my video.
Okay. But when I will I've been with you for long, not too long, but I believe say like this period now, me and bros not come to the sea. For some time we always see back to back. Yeah. First time in the history where I don't see something when be like say he humble you. Now you call the priest like pastor.
Yeah.
You understand what they say, man, life has no duplicate, Now let's take you back to, the kind of character when they play for film. So how can you address your personality in the industry?
Yes, first of all, let me tell you.
Okay.
Good luck. Whoever is my name, I say it again.
Yeah.
I'm easygoing man.
Okay.
Although does not tell my look.
Okay.
I believe I'm a gentleman. When you're far from me, you feel like maybe this guy is like this. Maybe because my nature, my kind of my what you see on the movie, or my outlook. So I can say it right now. This is a guy here. I don't believe in violence. I don't sponsor it. So let me shock you. 75% of my fans who I have contact with one-on-one, they end up being like, anyway, yeah. A lot of them will just try to when they bros, have fun now, come now, yeah, bros, take drink now, take this one now. They will offer me alcohol. I will tell you I don't drink alcohol, I don't go. Nah lie. How you say? It's good. How you go say they drink? I say no. Go and ask about me.
Me peruse your dossier.
I know they drink alcohol. My favorite drink now Fanta or Robo. He said, bro, so see what they say for free. What is it? I said, no, I don't even smoke. He said, no lie. Don't tell you no lie. I said, I don't smoke. I don't take anything. Okay, bro, so what you want agility come out for your body? I said, agility is inbuilt. And two, I'm an actor. I can interpret any role, you know, any given to me, because it is my duty as an actor. So at least if it is 75%, try and make it real. So that is me. I am easygoing man. I don't like violence. My heart too soft like rubber.
Oh, sir, you know, see, I wear Ovisan Swasan way. The last time I told somebody that Ofles is Sigma, everyone get bogo citizen, I be your like you, but this one when you talk, so you know your job at all. Do you know that it's very difficult for people like us now to convince people we're Sigma?
Yeah.
Not to talk of say you know they drink alcohol.
Yes. That is what I said earlier. I said because of my outlook, because of my nature, because of the way I do my things, it's going to be difficult for you to believe I don't drink. Okay. I don't go for all those hard drugs and all that. So for those, okay, let me tell my fans, this guy that you see here, I'm a son of a military officer. I was born in Benin, raised up in a military barrack, not one military barrack. I was raised up in Makurdi military barrack, Enugu, Port Harcourt, Enugu, Makurdi. Before my dad retired in 1992, we came to Benin. I have that military blood in me. A Sage soldier on the bay. You can say, Sage soldier or on the bay. I still have the agility. So, and let me correct one fact here. We better change our mindset about, you know, concluding on people
what we see in movies.
Aside from movie, there are some persons that you look them from afar. Don't conclude on people. They say don't judge a book by its cover.
By the cover, yeah.
Abi? Yeah. So it is our time we change our mindset towards this kind of people. Now you see person from afar say, I get any
but when I wear butter, we dress the way you should be addressed.
Yeah. So if you come to dress the way you should be addressed,
Baba, when you came in, and I wear una yana zik and dollar, and I said this interview, sir, Gazedo.
Okay.
Because of the fact that people always see you in Benin movies. And what you do is what we know you for. Una where you are not 100% Benin. That was what you said. Una where you don't dabble into many things now. As a result of, we understand the fact that maybe they do some movies, you speak English, you speak Benin, you know, like that, sir. Now, how can we address you generally?
My brother.
So you're not a pure Benin actor,
my brother.
My
brother, let me correct the fact here. Let me correct something here.
Okay.
Oflex, obviously,
okay.
My mom is a Benin, my dad is a Benin. So I'm doing my thing in a Benin way.
Okay.
So when you mean Benin actor,
the actor may not do.
Now
where you are not 100% there anymore.
No. Beni yare. Beni me yale industry.
Okay.
Eri yare.
Okay.
Because you always na vie mani edo. Imani edo. Ni na bi age film ma. Ya ta ma we beko imani ge film Yoruba, e bi Yoruba pa.
Yeah.
Ibigbo, ivie no because no see because a story of him beni yawe. Oh ye man, so he may make me mama when me back down me back some away from me very well. You know way they me here you na nam ye way abi bigbo o we ah you like a film. My first film the Merewu Edo decree 1440 mo we ina mo akobere aro ina mo bigbo na re Kevin Brooks na mo re be away. So maybe my asun Aizebu. He believe where e ma ya nige femini. E bi do pa femini because wa reviews no femini. Wa mi where e bi do pa or femini. And e me so raw no be the page me where e ma take a life ke e femina owedo.
Okay.
But you don't like even yawo woman. Weti wa hanu muna umana obi edo. Almost away if no sunu. Because we are when I get it do na matter my gbe. E ma we interview my way na. I be say boys edo. I say boys edo. We are permanent man. How the anyway how was there? Sometimes you end up in speaking English. The other way we always edo. So I told myself I think we let as in it is hard time. My way be no gelearo.
Okay. Inside life.
E matter no raw. So imaka we you will film do.
No, that was not this. No, that was not the question.
I know. Like, no, when I can yevo.
Yeah.
I am an actor.
An entertainer.
Actor. As an actor, you are to interpret every role they give it to you. Actor. Be you Calabar, be you any tribe. Every association is under AGN. Anything be done in Nigeria is called Nollywood. Say I'm gonna hear away. Anything where they do for Nigeria, now Nollywood film they call it. Nothing like Edo Wood.
Nothing like Yoruba Wood.
Nothing like Yoruba Wood.
Nothing like Igbo Wood.
Nigeria, any production, anything be done in Nigeria is called Nollywood. You know, our people is fond of saying it. Aye, brother, no, we film do. No, what was that? Aye, when we film do, I film do. No, it's Nollywood. I don't want to mention names. We are African Magic now. We are African Magic. We know again the film we hear film boni. 75% of language in Yazebo big bono. Okay, money do sunu ye nye meso. Amabe ko ni maviori oze bene ozigbe igbo ise. But man when man be do na ma wa
it's normal.
We enjoy it. We call it Nollywood film. But me na mo marewo. Me gbeso me ke be books ire bana o izebo. Ma we me ezedo me ezebo no pa ezebo na. But man I that here where is a benefit. We have a brother. No, it's Nollywood.
Generally.
It's Nollywood where we film do. Well, stop that.
That's an insult.
Even if big bony where
no, is that an insult? You see
no,
that's an insult? Okay.
No, you don't see it. You know, I understand it.
Okay, because you should be proud of where you're from.
Yeah. No. I tell you, man, with me, you are correct where it's Nollywood.
Yeah.
I made the wood.
They know they separate us.
Edo Wood, anything be done in Nigeria is Nollywood.
All right, people, are we going on a break? Trust me when I say I will be right back. Don't move. May we dabble into your, private life in Egypt. Oflex, Osaboye, Owigbe.
Good luck.
Good luck, aka Oflex. So, Baba, where are you from?
Yeah, I'm from Benin.
Okay.
I'm from Edo State. I'm from Benin. I'm from Isinokbego. My village is Ewoho from Unhuande.
Okay.
Local government area.
And then you came in what year?
2000.
The industry, I mean.
Okay. That was 2000 when I hear. Let me say the day now. Say I want to celebrate my 50 years.
No, Baba, you now 45. You're supposed to celebrate.
So yeah. 2006.
Okay.
2006 I've been now the first and I heard action.
So through who?
Through Desmond Waters.
Through Desmond.
Yeah.
Water.
Yeah.
And your first movie was?
My first movie, my brother, they're not one.
Yeah, my way.
Then
why you address it as your first movie?
That's not my first movie. I said that's the first time I heard camera action. Because what really happened, Desmond Water arrested bro. Before 2006, Desmond Water tried to bring me into industry. Like anytime Desmond I mean, I would say, Pro Flex, come do film now. You get the look, you get the height, the way you do your thing. I believe say you do well, you know, movie will fine for you.
Mr. Savior will do.
Saint Savior. Like,
Okay, yeah.
I was just telling him like Desmond, we were met with him. I think that should be. It started around 2004. The guy Desmond Waters, you know, took him like 2 years. Till 2006.
To convince you.
Yeah, like 2006. I went to. He lost his father, so we went to accompany him to mortuary for the funeral. Anyway, but we came back and Desmond came to me, said, you see why I tell you, Dave knows it not a mawe. Yeah, a film producer whatever ni, but when you don't know where do I think do with film? Because then I used to wear my dread, very long dread. So the guy say, oh where been waro na, be shaping na, be been water na you wagwalo with film. But Ohama Gebu where are they? Udano na minere so or when you come away nu near David Demode need to play role in Obani. Would they even got amawe? They tell you now, so those film producers they did. I said, I was like, again, I'm sure I'll be film again. He said, no worry, I will. On Monday we'll go. Then that was on Monday of it. They said I should come to, you know, when they are there, what's it called? Image Garden. There's a place Image Garden around Badru. So when I got there, that was the first day I saw Shine. Shine, the same again.
And she came in before.
Yeah. I saw her on that location. Okay. I saw the likes of Bisping. Yeah. Bisping. I saw the likes of Sleazy He. Yeah. I think Sleazy was the rave of the moment then. Yeah, so that very day, after they gave me the script, I was like, what is this now? It was English film. So they gave me a script because I've been chasing. I gave me a script. I was like, wait, I want to play. Say, play this one. What for now? Like this. Do you know why? Let me shock you.
No. Baba, you don't too shock me.
May shock you.
May not go shock
now,
me.
Now, bottle they say make I break.
Okay.
To chase person. That's it. He say like this one. Wait, you break bottle chaser. That was my scene.
Your rule.
Then there was other scene to play. After that stuff, like they said we strike for the day tomorrow. Tomorrow till now, I don't see the thing. But anyways, from that very minute, this is where I am now. That's how I.
So, Baba, who was the director of that film?
The director of that film, stuff, Destiny, Matitikwa.
Destiny. Because, Baba, I'm sorry if I have to bring this back. And then who will premiere?
Yeah.
Of Edo Decree. And I want to give you kudos when you were trying to address the audience. You said Destiny brought you in.
Yeah.
In Matitikwa. So I'm surprised now we were now with Desmond Water.
Destiny.
Yeah.
Brought me to an industry.
Okay.
Because he was the one who made requests for me.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
He was the one that told Desmond Water.
Okay.
I need that guy.
Oh.
It was Desmond Water who took me in.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
It was Desmond Waters who came to me and told me, you see what I tell you?
You can do it.
Somebody don't find you now. You know why?
Okay.
Desmond Water brought me in. David Onata married.
Maybe if we're not the way we did today.
Before now, God knows. Before then, God in heaven knows very well. This guy, this man has been hitting me about come to the movie, come to. So the chapter go to the both of them.
Okay, the both of them. Because you omitted Destiny before now.
No.
Okay.
I said
Ladies and gentlemen, we at Gorilla Multimedia wish to interest you in our services, which includes movie production, from pre-production to post-production, MC for your events to create funniest times, red carpet services for your events, event coverage, and lots more. We also have a department called the G Sign, where we print on shirts, caps, cups, wedding cards, flex, SAV, and lots more. For more info, contact us on 081-79-111-024. Gorilla Multimedia Services. Quality at its finest.
You said who is the director of the film?
Yeah, I brought Destiny in.
No. You said who is the director of
When
the
I
film?
ask you who
directed
came
the film?
in,
Who directed the film? I said Destiny.
you gave the credit to Desmond.
Yeah.
So me don't know who directed the movie, who directed the movie. Then you now brought Destiny in. So most importantly now, be say if they say may you give kudos to who brought you in, then you channel the credit to the both of them.
Yes. Do you know why I would channel it to Desmond?
Okay.
And first of all, it took him 2 years
Okay.
to talk me into movie. You understand?
Okay.
And why the credit as well go to Destiny, the producer, the director of the film,
Okay.
because he's the first person to give me direction.
Yeah.
Remember that very day I didn't talk anything about Desmond Water?
No, you all you made because on every time me made.
You understand? You remember that very
you
day?
Spoke so much about Destiny.
I said Destiny cited me and said, bring this guy for me.
Yeah.
You know this issue. Now somebody now can tell you, the third person can tell you, you know go with the break that one come out. You get the way some people take the hit person for this standard. I need to bring him because normally if you really look at for 2 years or him and many do way film. Or man be gear go you know the booking now. Or when my bring me Desmond they come, they meet me direct. He went through Desmond. Desmond now took me to that very place. If I got a talk now, the other day now I said something like that which you just
came up with.
You know, this guy told me.
Because from the way it is,
Desmond bring you come, that's it.
Because from the way it is now, it's like you get the audience when you they admit to say that Desmond.
I don't get.
You get the audience where you admit to say that Destiny brought you in.
No, bros. I know the fatigues. I'm saying it now.
Okay.
Maybe you're hearing it for the first time.
Yeah.
I'm not giving it to Desmond.
Okay.
I'm not giving it to Destiny Matic.
So who are you to give
I'm
it
just saying it the way it is.
Okay.
Because I think that stuff almost landed me something. Let me bring you in.
Okay.
Let me as a guy I can't tell you say make he can't call you come. You know can't tell you call you for good there.
Okay. Okay, now box. I went on little time in that before this opportunity came. When Destiny began to search you, so what were you doing?
Yeah, because then I used to work in area. We used to do this local exchange.
Okay.
When you go to number 40 Sakmon Bar Road, number 40 Sakmon Bar Road, ask of Osasco. My name is Osasco. I worked there with this local exchange. Maybe a lot of person in Greece items. You remember Lawrence Wigbe, in Greece. So I was the payout master in Sakmon Bar Road. So
Arrow to arrow.
Arrow to arrow. That was my very good business. A lot of people say, you don't tell me the chop money. You don't tell me the chop money. I've been counting euros. I've seen euros. I've seen money.
Yeah.
So that was my job then. So that's me. Go to my 40. Tell them you're looking for Osasco. Who was Osasco?
Yeah, to come when I will film you.
God.
So Baba, now as we speak now, we can no longer address you as an actor alone because it's like now direct, produce, and all. So how can we describe Oflex?
Call me filmmaker.
A filmmaker.
Yeah.
You direct.
Yes. I'm not good. Let me.
No, on behalf of the fact that you
what?
are the CEO of Oflex Entertainment,
Yes.
but you direct. I know you once employed a director, which is Osaze Osaige.
Remember my director today or tomorrow. Remember my director.
So, but some of your projects they'll say directed by Oflex.
No. Take note.
Okay.
The first film directed by Oflex was the Bengali.
No Ladian.
Yeah.
Okay, we Bengali ne we Edo decree or
yes, Bengali is just a new
a new project.
Yeah.
But Osaze is still in the game.
Yes.
So now you can't say okay, me I by myself venture into.
No, because we're a team. Our slogan is teamwork, make it work.
Okay.
Osaze was so busy that particular time in Lagos directing movies. So because I have that kind of job, it's a new thing.
Yeah. So Osaze was on the job, not for you, not your job.
No.
So meaning outside you, they work for others.
Yes, he's an open director for Kinda Loud.
Okay.
Yeah.
But we thought you worked for Oflex Entertainment.
No, we did. We work together.
Okay.
Yeah, we work together. We're family.
Okay, because with the years, some people want call Osaze. No, that one. Now Oflex squad. You power directing now. Directing now, my baby.
Who says no? That's lying, man.
Okay.
So thank God we're doing it well.
Okay.
God is taking us to places right now. Oflex Entertainment is a platform where you can come and have your ground. So we're working as a team. You can bring your project. We work it together. You know my way maybe in Oflex or no.
Okay.
So that particular time, my director Osaze Osaige traveled to Lagos for directing job. So I was looking for someone to direct. And to start with, before now, I see myself around this artistic director. I can direct actor. I know. I can give some. I have ideas about that stuff. So I use that it's a romantic film. Bengali, it's a romantic film. Although the real story, there are some scenes. There's some scenes on that film. So YouTube restricted that scene.
Because
they drop some scenes from that film on YouTube. So if you want to watch the real film, my brother, you know say Benin no be Lagos. You know say Benin people, we no local, we don't do film, we don't get any. See, we they run.
But now you get that word, Benin no be Lagos. I know say the fair talk for all those. The person who can develop Benin no be Lagos.
I don't know be Lagos.
And you even produce a movie to that effect.
Yes.
So how soon are we expecting that movie?
Yes, I don't know be Lagos. Is a film that.
So they said you are embarking on the premiere.
Yes, I don't know be Lagos. Is a project.
Okay.
Please, it's not a political film.
Okay.
It's not a political story.
Okay, not get anything to do with that one.
No election. No. I don't know. Lagos is a ghetto story.
Okay.
It tells the real attitude of a Benin man.
Okay.
Benin people, like an average Benin Edo person hits an operation one, and every Benin person, no lie, we get pride.
Yeah. It is
what it is. You know why we want royalty? I have it.
You always sing with that.
You have it there. So I don't know the Lagos.
See, our Oba is supreme.
No, when I mean we don't make king.
Yeah.
Now we the born king. The man and beer.
Yeah.
So why my shoulder not will be like this?
I know be like this. When Oba be the all Oba the dobale for our. So Box now, so far so good now. How many movies you don't produce of your own?
Chineke, don't mind me, Saloboa. I want my own Ameroy. Man, I said them when they were easy. Otioma. So right now, the menu.
The movies of your own.
Yeah. Yes. From Edo Decree is my first movie. I think.
Okay, that was your first movie ever produced by you.
Edo Decree, produced by Oflex Entertainment, story developed the story, directed by Osaze Osaige. So that's my first movie. At least I have 15 films.
So far?
It passed.
Even passed.
We never released some many couple. I say
because we 15 work, but we release because the ones we don't see never reach 15.
Yeah, because get a lot.
Okay.
A lot
Baba,
of things they will never drop.
Okay, Baba, you left at some point. Like 2000 and... Which year you do that I do decree?
That should be year 2016.
Okay. Before that 2016, let's say 2014, 2015, you said 2000, you made mention of 2006 before now.
Yeah.
On a year we were disappear, my email flash. Before we know again, whether you go in a bus, now you came out with a do 50, a do decree, before we know, bro, now you just, bro, so where were you?
So, bros, thanks a lot for that question. You know, and where when in your area,
Yeah.
when I saw my career, like after my first after they introduced me to this movie stuff, Osaze Osage was the only person. I'm saying it in this minute.
Yeah.
Osaze Osage is the only person, the only director who encouraged me more of like, you good, you can do it, bro. No take on, no, I could you do the art, you sabi art.
Yeah.
So I was like, brother, I don't need this stuff. I don't need this stuff. It gave me platform time to time to showcase my talent. So when I saw this stuff, I had to, okay, let me travel. Let me go and look for greener pasture somewhere.
Yeah.
So yeah, where I kaki sanyari police.
Okay.
You know, if you raise and say make I do like this, say now so you will contemplate. No. So I told myself, where can I come in? And in a better form. So I traveled out of this country. I don't go Ghana. I'm Ghana go. I traveled out of this country. I traveled. I went to several countries, like Asia countries, and don't worry, other day I told now, maybe Ghana I go. So I had to. When I came back, I said, if I don't invest on this stuff,
What else will?
that means it's not nice. So I have it. So I needed, okay, so I said, okay, what can I do now? Let me start my first film. That was how I did a do Decree 1440.
Yeah.
So
And that was huge.
Yeah. Even before, I embarked on that project, a lot of persons called me like, hey, why are we being now? No, I said no. We're going somewhere. You understand? It is that time I give back to society what my society,
has given
to me. If I don't start it with my place, if I don't do film, imana film do, imana already do. Remember, J-Mike no would do.
No.
Two-Face will not do it.
Yeah.
So if I refuse to do it, that means I don't know where I'm from. I'm not true son of the soil. So I decided to do it. I decided to start because you know why? Nothing wrong doing it. That's Benin. That's my tribe. That's your tribe. If I don't do it, we do it. And we are doing well today. We are doing well.
Yeah.
We are doing well. I begin to see productions after my films.
Yeah.
After I do Decree, I begin to see nice films, nice production, nice cameras, nice everything. Although to make a film in Benin is not easy. Not gonna let the person say it's easy, but it is. When you have love, you have you know what you're doing. You can't put the money no can come back. So it better come. But my fans, your energy. My energy is your healing. As in your comment alone is something that affects, not affect. Give me morale and boost up my energy. So that is it. It is love, bro.
So Baba, who is your mentor in the industry?
Is it general?
You have a mentor?
Somebody that I love so well. Might tell now who I like. Person will motivate me when I tell they do thing. JT Tom West. Rest in peace, bro. If you don't know JT Tom West, go check out. He don't die. I love that guy acting so well. And I still go back and watch his movie.
Okay, several times.
Over
and over again.
Tom West, man. Rest in peace, bro.
Baba, your best movie so far?
I don't have best movie.
All your productions.
I don't have best movie.
You love all,
Yes, because it's my work.
or you detest some.
No,
Why total you are when I will see one.
no.
So then outside your project, your best movie so far in the year 2020.
Mine.
No,
Produced by
outside
me.
yours.
I said mine.
Yes, 2020.
Is it within a door?
Edo. Everyone here na $10,
Omonozuzu.
Okay, by Sylvester.
Sylvester Wadia.
But be like say you and that brother close.
Sylvester Wadia is my bloodline. I
So
said
what's your relationship with him?
Actually, not because Sylvester Wadia is my when I picked that Omonozuzu.
Yeah.
Omonozuzu is a story, like the true life story of my brother,
Okay.
Sylvester Wadia.
Okay.
Playing that film is like I begin to see the emotional, the emotion of my brother Sylvester, because it's a true life story.
Okay, now
True life story. So it's like me walking, like as in doing it, playing the bad guy in the film, maltreating my own brother in the film. You'll be like,
and you enjoy doing it.
My brother, I call him one beat my brother beat for film.
But outside that on Monozuzu, sir, you seem to be very close to Sylvester.
Yeah, Sylvester Wadia happened to be my second cousin, brother. You know, say me and Sylvester, I don't know.
For long.
Me, I don't even know say Sylvester my brother. When I came 2006, when I
Moe Samba.
yeah, when I came 2006, unknowingly to me that Sylvester Wadia is my brother, to him as well. But in one very faithful day, my younger sister, my younger sister, a wedding day, Sylvester came. My mom now saw Sylvester like, no, and I saw Sylvester. Sylvester come, they look me say, you tell me no, my friend, Sylvester was like, whatever, angry. The man got tell Marie, we were industry now, when we are with my brother.
About young one, where are you?
So the blood grind. So me know my mom came, my grandma, and that was that. So please, I beg you to carry our children the near shoulder.
Yeah, very important.
Do you know from that very day, everything changed. That was how I started Benin Films.
Yeah.
The first films and the Sazio Sage productions, the other films I have been shooting was an complete English film. When myself and Sylvester found out that we were relatives, so Sylvester started hitting me with films like they want me to play like Bloodline now. No, why you want me to say again?
Yeah.
Kudos to Sylvester.
But so far so good now. When we film you both others and your production, others productions, because we see you frequently in others productions as we speak.
My brother, accountability. I know what we talking now. When I know verse, so you know why there are some films now you go for the productions.
You don't know the title.
The films never will come out. Man will count films. I matter what I know. I don't do many films. Don't be my film. I go some people film. I don't say again. If you go to an and say I don't do 300 films. My brother, don't be by films. If I talk this thing now, I'm going to say,
Okay.
I will force a person now.
Okay.
You know, say, guess, don't be film for everywhere. Small film now, film many.
Let's dabble into your private life a little, sir. Married?
Why be say that question, way? Once no enter person life, now say married. Or God leave that one.
No, because when the matter now, yes, sir. We want to know because don't flex in your boy, touring. And we want to know if you are a star. That should not be a secret affair. So if you are single, you are single. So if you are married, you are married. But don't remember when they swear you be legal.
Bros, you see, I'm a very funny person. You know why they laugh for why they laugh for the question.
Okay.
Very soon I'll call everybody more come marry.
Okay, you call them for marry. Because when you say you want to call everybody, now me they here. No, man is ready to marry man here.
I'm not trying to dodge this question. So okay. Very soon I will call you see my invitation for.
Okay, meaning you are single, sir. Yeah, capital letter.
It's a single, but nah.
But you have keys?
I have keys.
Oh.
I don't get picking by this age.
What do you
get for entertainment? You know, they tell people say it's good to get picking.
But when we say keys, I'm here 15, I'm here 10, I'm here 5.
On mom's surface, my mom's name. I have kids.
On mom's surface, your mom's name. No, you cannot give birth to your mom.
On mom's surface. On any year. So, I have
your own biological kids with me.
I said I have kids.
Okay, you have much.
And I don't want to tell you. I don't tell you now. Say I get one now. Okay. I get two now. Okay. I don't say I get 3 now.
Okay.
Or more selfie.
But sometimes the way people take they rate you from afar.
Say I bad.
Some people they reason and say you don't they approach 50. How true is that? So how old are you?
Let me tell you my age right now. I'm not up to 40. I'm older than my age.
Let's say within 30 to 40, in between.
I want to solve it.
That box, here we have name.
Yeah.
That box, I talk about it.
Yeah. You can still play all that time.
No, but let's talk about your challenges in the industry.
Yeah, a lot. Even Vero has it. I found individual life we have challenges, not to talk about industry.
Okay. So can you specify some?
Emmanuel, pull down syndrome, many bros. A lot of stuff. And I will sit here.
Okay.
From friends.
Okay, like how can we describe it?
Hate.
Hatred.
Yeah.
For the fact that you are in the movie industry or you don't go ahead of them. Colleague.
I don't believe I don't go anywhere.
Okay, but when we said friends,
I said friends.
Are you talking about colleague in the industry or friends outside the industry?
The industry.
Yeah.
Not my colleagues.
Okay.
Our friends.
In the industry.
Yeah.
So they are the one when still
the ex, not my colleague. I don't know the side where you belong. Okay. I mean, I say my friends, not my problem.
But as a single master, we have more than 1,001 female in the industry. We know where, if you don't come to reality, but anything can happen. So if they say me you go out with any babe, which baby you want to go out with?
All of them are my baby.
No, Baba, you have to specify. If there's okay now, if you have the opportunity, never say never till it's over. If there's okay now, say just go out with 1 or 2. Who you want
to go out with?
Yes, 1 or 2. Okay, maybe 3. No, maybe 3.
Somebody I like so well.
Okay, among the female?
Among the female, maybe... I don't say.
No, bro. You be. I believe where nothing is hidden under the sun. You are a mega star.
Now, yes.
So that's why I said 1. Who you want to go with among the female? Is it that you join the group where classify 70% of the Benin actresses? Man, you know that what most of them they talk say they are not reliable.
Yeah, we have it now.
Okay.
Everybody.
All the female.
Oh, I feel like. Taking all of
both the people, mama, when they inside.
Not be mama, because your question not go for mama.
Is it that you don't have choice?
Everybody, I don't have choice. You know me too. I'm a very free man, so anybody that comes my way is my wife.
So if there's 1, just
1. You know why I said everybody feel me?
Okay.
Tomorrow, you can, tomorrow I can play husband to any of them.
Are you looking for a place where you can get quality ironworks for that your fantastic building plan? Or are you looking for solid burglary proof to keep intruders away? Then worry no longer, as you can account on Omori Steel and Fabrication to give you that fantastic iron fabrication to make your building outstanding.
Make I don't go lose my face. Justice follow me.
For bookings and more information, please call 08179111024, or you can contact us on our Gmail, amorifab@gmail.com. Omori Steel and Fabrication, quality at its finest.
But you feel date for inside this industry.
I'm human.
But you feel marry anyone from here.
I'm human. Now human being be why
No, I just the ask because you know fit specify. Okay, this is somebody. If I want to go with Avita, it's okay. This is somebody.
Okay, when you said you fit date for the industry.
Yeah.
I said I'm human.
Yeah.
Why? Why I no go date for industry? I didn't know human beings.
That's why I said you fit still marry for inside.
Yes, I'm human.
Okay.
For crying out loud, what is wrong? If I don't marry for, if I tell you I don't feel married for that means.
So are we going to be expecting something like that?
No.
Okay.
No.
So Baba, tell me, who are your friends in the industry as we speak?
I have a lot of friends. I don't want to mention the names. The friends I can call like few.
Okay.
Few.
Yeah.
Few.
Just like
few.
two. Yeah.
Sylvester over there is my brother, is my friend.
Okay.
That is it.
Just him.
Yeah.
Baba, 70% of the people, you know, I know where movie is a serious business. You get it. So, and you get right to say this one I want to use. But lately, when you came up with Edo Decree 1440, 70% of the actors you use there, lately they are no longer with you. So can you throw more light on that area?
Okay, I like this question. So when my first movie, Edo Decree for 1440, it was a new generation of film to me.
Okay.
I needed to bring something different.
Okay.
So based on the storyline, I have people that I have some scenes that say get some person, some character will come from abroad.
Okay.
And some character there here.
Okay.
For believability.
Okay.
For believability.
Okay.
So that people can believe.
Okay.
Like when you're watching film, you say, this girl will be like, oh, come from abroad.
Yeah.
I needed to bring in somebody we never see before.
Okay.
Because if you look that scene, believability, you will pay more. Audience will pay more attention to new face when they never see. Say this face come from abroad.
Okay.
I need that look like you shall say this face is not be abroad if I come.
Yeah.
Than me using actor that you and I know very well that is here. They're good. I know they will play it more better.
Okay.
People, actors are hard faced, you know, they have strong face. But I decided to bring in new unknown face, like so that I can win the heart of the audience. Like, who be this girl? Who be this guy? So, like I said before, Oflex Entertainment is a platform. It's a platform. Teamwork make it work.
Okay.
I need one of my objective here is to bring fish out stars.
New faces.
Give them platform to discover what they have.
Okay.
I give them a platform to discover themselves. Like that, I don't decree. I brought in Lady B as a Mota.
Okay.
So the first time she's been working. It was the first work. After then, we do one or two stuff. You know, the second place was above Victoria, and like me, that is it. That's the reason why. Maybe when I give them platform, so it's not left for them to decide.
Okay.
I don't beg you on it. You know, you can push a horse into a river, but you can't force that ox to drink water. So you got me where Larry and Yaya where we film. You plan, you do aware. You choose say you want to follow. I told you say you try if you want to follow the career. Some people will come and say, my mama say make I not do one. That's the reason why if you look most of my film, you will see fresh
faces. Boss, you are almost there. Where we dey emphasize on the old, you know, the new ones, we see they emphasize on the old actors.
Yeah.
I mean the boys most especially. There were up to 6 to 7 boys. As we speak now, you don't work with them anymore. It's not a secret affair, but is it that you don't longer, you know they appreciate their ways again, or you don't like their, you know, or you never produce? Because I see most of the films when they produce when they are rules supposed to. That's why I said no verse. I know saying that serious business that you will decide who you work with. So, but throw more light on that area.
Bros, we are family.
Okay.
We are family, and first of all, Oflex is not going to be there forever. Definitely other person will come. So this thing I want to say now, what I'm about to talk right now, I'm not trying to bring down anybody. We are all together. We are still friends. Because of my primary objective, like let me discover, let me create, let me give platform to people, to young ones, to newcomer. That's the reason why sometimes you see my film, you know you see them. When I need you in the film, I will call you. When they need me, they will call me. Nothing bad, nothing. We have no issues with nothing. So see they call me. They call if I need your service, I will call you. They say they call me as well. I have nothing against anybody. I don't feel give you what you know people play. I believe you know if you give me what you know people play.
Okay. Baba, you have advice finally for your audience and your followers.
So my follower, my audience, wala wo etemeni my fans. See one thing. Without you, there I'm not here. I appreciate you, your comments, your calls alone is my energy. So keep supporting me, keep wishing me good, and share my movie. But you that's interested about movie, my brother, my sister, go school first. Because entertainment without education is more like a flesh without no bone. Okay. It's not going to strong. Please don't allow anybody to run you down or to talk you down about our industry or beneath him, the looks. No. You know what? Believe in yourself. Believe in what you know you can do. Take that first bold step, like be open to any production that comes your way. Don't let anybody tell you, say, hey, if you may do if you may local. You remember the same thing they tell you, say, local, now carry me go London, come back. Remember the same thing where somebody tell you, say, now your film that they do. Now some people take travel, go UK, they do where they did. You know why? When we all go submit for embassy, you know what you will feel? What do you do for a living? I'm an actor. They know as I say now beneath you or the Calabar film. They said submit some posters of your film. We all submitted the posters of our films. They go, you know, we submitted our stuff. They give us visa. What am I trying to say? Don't allow anybody to talk you down, say the film local, the film be like this. The same thing where they say local, look at it, people go where something where you feel say people if you say that they do film where no local. Where people they do the thing where you say no local. The local thing where you say people they do, now people take travel for this country, they go abroad and they come back. So what are we saying? So this is my advice to you, the newcomer. Don't allow anybody to discourage you, to talk you down. I must say this in front of you, bro, and I must say it in front of my audience. A lot of persons almost run me down. Like, why flex? Why they do benefit now? You benefit? No. I tell them not benefit. I'm doing Nollywood thing. You know, get where Nollywood thing no will carry me go. You say, I said, nah, they do.
Irrespective of the language.
I don't know Lagos. I brought in some stars. Yeah. I brought in from stars from Lagos, from Asaba.
Hello there. Have you ever wondered where you can get quality design and prints for your ideas and concepts? Then look no further, as Gorilla Multimedia is here for you. At Gorilla Multimedia, we undertake printing services of all kinds. We design and print on t-shirts and souvenirs, printing of photo books, photo album, and exquisite framing of your photos. We also offer a cartoon and artistic drawing representation of any of your photos, in either the framed or the unframed option. Don't just sit there, contact us today on 081-79-111-024. Gorilla Multimedia Services, quality at its finest.
You know, after production, one of the actor came to me and said, Oh, bro, you guys have a lot of actors in Benin. You know what? The man saw what he saw on set. He saw the likes of Big Spain, the likes of Uyi, the likes of Offrey, the life so many actors, great one like Oligbese. The man said, now they act for Benin here. Mo, keep it up, bro. Keep it up. What am I trying to say? You. I'm talking to you right now, my fans. You don't listen to critics. Fame now, fame get brain. Now fame don't turn blow for where you dey. Once you blow for where you dey, people will need your service for another place. Asaba fame dey blow for Asaba. Lagos one dey blow for Lagos. Lokoja dey blow for Lokoja. Benin go dey blow for Benin. End of the day, all of us will go meet for side cinema fame.
Yeah. All right, people, the citizen call me the prodigal son, you know, still with right here with a box. When I mean a box, I believe you don't need any confirmation to know that I am referring to the box in the gate. Baba, it's nice having you here.
Yes, so.
And we hope to see you again.
Bang, bang.
I will keep seeing you again and
Bang,
again
bang,
and
bang,
again
bang,
and
bang,
again.
bang, bang. Yes, so don't be say I be farmer.